Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po, nandito tayo guys sa Panglao Boardwalk sa Dolho, Panglao, mangrove plantation dito sa Dolho, Panglao. Tingnan natin guys kung kaano kaganda ang nature guys. So let's see. So guys, yung mangrove guys, man-made mangroves guys, ito guys. Grabe guys, 500 meters yung boardwalk, 500 meters guys. So guys, grabe ang beauty guys ng nature guys. Grabe guys, yung nature guys. So guys, makikita mo guys yung mga travelers from different countries. Dito makikita mo guys yung pinaka malaking mangrove dito sa Panglao guys. It's about 45 hectares, something like 45 hectares guys, yung kaubuang man-made mangrove dito guys. Kani sila guys, bago pa gining abot kikan pres Korea ni sila guys. Koreana ni guys. Mani pag pag abot nila guys. Kani sila guys, kikan pa ni sa Japan. Japan sila guys. So dito matagpuan guys ang pinaka malaking alimango guys sa Bohol. Tingnan mo guys. Grabe guys yung nature guys. Sa umpisa guys, 7,000 pieces na ito guys ng mga mangrove. At ngayon lumalaki na guys. Tingnan mo guys. Grabe yung developing sa tubig guys. Sa gabi guys, makikita mo ito, ang daming alimango guys. Hanggang dito. At saka camera protected ito guys. Ito guys, ito yung camera nila. So hindi ka pwedeng mag-ano dito guys kasi yung camera dito guys, dami. Nakapaligid ang camera. So itong mangrove to guys is camera protected. At saka maraming security guys dito nakapaligid guys. So hindi mo talaga pinsala ang malugar ito guys dahil sa well protected dito guys. Sa Bohol, Panglao Bohol, Dolho Panglao Bohol. So ito guys ang daanan papuntang Virgin Islands o sa Puntod guys. So makita natin guys, it's 500 meters, 1 kilometer, it's about 1 kilometer boardwalk o Kawayan walk somewhere here in Dolho. Hmm. 234 meters na tayo ngayon. Ito yung camera guys. Huwag kang guys kasi yung camera guys, grabe. Nakapaligid ang camera dito guys. At saka tingnan mo guys yung mga bamboo guys. It's giant bamboo guys, made of giant bamboo. You see? It's a man-made mangrove, guys. So it's about 45 hectares somewhere here in Panglao, Bohol. It's a well-secured area. A lot of security guards here. Afternoon. So grabe yung camera, guys. Oh. Every inch, every meter is a camera protected place. Wow, guys. Grabe talaga yung nature, guys, dito. Oh. So this is the way going to Virgin Islands, somewhere here in Bohol, Panglao. Wow.
Ano pa? Ang hala ka makita itong loyo na ito. Ay, mag-sunglass na kaya. Mag-sunglass ba?
Ito, guys. Hello, vlog. Yes. Guys, so guys, makikita mo ng Virgin Island. Diyan, guys, sa likod niyan, yan ang probinsya ng Siquijor. Siquijor, guys. Look at that guy. Ito, guys, ang parang restaurant nila, guys. So dito, guys, pwede kang waiting for the sunset dito, guys. So yan, guys, yung canteen dito. So yan ang guys. Yan ang canteen, guys. So you can order any food you want, Asian food, international food over there. Yeah. So that is Virgin Islands. Yes. Oh. So what? Wait. That is Virgin Island, guys. Yan. That is Virgin Island, guys. Napakagandang isla na, guys. That is, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. See you for the next video. Bye bye.